You're given an integer array nums. You're also given integer original, which is the first number that needs to be searched for in nums. You can do the following steps. If original is found in nums, multiply it by 2. Set original equals to 2 times original. Okay. Otherwise, stop the process. Repeat the process with the new number as long as you keep finding the number. I see. Return the final value of the original. So it's like if the nums original was like 3, you double 3, 6, and then you can find 6 and double the 6 to become 12. 3, 6, 6 becomes 12, 12 becomes 24, and that's it. 4 is not found. Can there be duplicates? Multiply by 2, stop the process, repeat the process as long as nums. So original is going to be from 1 to 1000. The length is 1 to 1000, which is the first number that needs to be searched for in nums. 3 is found. Doesn't really specify what happens if there's duplicates. I wonder if it's when it's the first number that needs to be searched for. I don't think this first number necessarily means that's the first instance of that number in the array. Alright, let's go ahead and just do a test case here, see what they expect. I need to actually return a value in order to make this run at all. This is just going to change the first one. Oh, it's not returning the array. It's returning what? The final original value. Okay, so it doesn't really matter how many times it occurs. So I think you just need to make a set here and to make it easier to search. So num set is equal to the set of nums, and then just find the last duplicate, last doubling. So while return the final value of original. So yeah, I think it's while original is in the num set, original times equals 2. So 4 is not found. So for example, 2, 4 is not found, so it just returns 4. 3 is found, so doubles to 6. 6 is found, so doubles to 12. 12 is found, so doubles to 24. 24 is not found, so 24 is returned. Okay, yeah. I think this is fine. I don't know if you need to convert it to a set for a small number in the array. If the array is actually like up to maybe 20 length, you might just do while original in num set or in nums and skip the creation of this set. But this was, I think this is probably the better option. It's probably the better option if num set could be arbitrarily large. Or nums can be arbitrarily long. Summary, the quickest way to identify if a value is within the array would be to convert to create a set based on the values based on the array that change the lookup or kind of find operation for an array is O of n, whereas for a set is O of 1. Thus, convert or create a set based on the array. Use a while loop to find the last kind of instance of original, of some doubling of original. Value that does not exist in the set, and then return that value. Time complexities can be O of n to convert the the array into a set, but note that if that wasn't done, the time complexity would have been O of n squared. O of n log k, where k is the maximum value of maximum possible value. So that's this is due to the fact that finding a particular value is O of n, and for some max value there will be at most O of or log base 2 of k searches, since you're doubling each time, doubling the value searched each time. So if k is 1,000 in this case, there's going to be at most 10 searches. Like if your starting value is searching for 1, and then your next starting value is searching value is 2, then 4, 8, 16. There's only log base 2, 1,000 searches that you'd have to do. So the O of n times that amount. Space complexities could be O of n to create the set based on the array. Technically this was time complexity is O of n plus O of log O of n plus, actually, yeah. I think this is O of n plus O of log k, actually. Because you have to actually do some number of while loops here. And search. Yeah, I guess, yeah, the search here, the search on the slower way was going to be O of n log k, yeah. Each search takes n. Alright, cool beans.